Hey Groovy babies, welcome back to the channel. Welcome me back. I haven't been around in a while, but we're not going to dwell on it today because I have something so exciting to share and unbox with you guys. So, hold on. I'll be right back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
First things first, welcome little Quasar to the family. Say hello. He's just a baby. Say hello. He's only 3 months old. He's the newest addition to the family. Oh, I love him so much. Okay, that's not what we're here for. So, what we're really here for today is, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Yes! I finally got my hands on some Slade skates and I can't wait to try them. But I literally waited to unbox them and try them until I can actually make a video and show you guys what they're all about, how they work. And I'm just I'm so stoked. It's reigniting fires inside of my body. So let's open them, shall we? Okay, let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Oh, you got some jam plugs. You got a nice little backpack to carry our trucks in. Love. And we got some shocks. The most important, most lovely, most magical part. Oh my God, look at these babies. So as you can see, they look just like a regular sneaker skate, except you can remove the trucks from the skate. I can't wait. They are so cool looking, super groovy. Can't wait to try. So, yes, and yeah, so I'm guessing you have to use the key. So I haven't done this yet, but I put on my keychain so I wouldn't forget. This could ruin me. Let's see. So you put it in this, and then you slide them off. Okay, hold on. First time. Here we go, here we go. Okay. I imagine this will probably be easier on my foot. So that's gonna be interesting to do while I'm rolling around. Again, I need to loosen the trucks as always whenever you take skates out of the box. Just loosen your trucks. The wheels feel kind of gummy. Let's try these babies on because I haven't even put my foot in it. Who knows if it fits? Okay, so little fun fact about me is that I've never skated on a flat foot skate before. So bear with me, it might be an experience. I've never had a sneaker skate or anything of the sorts. See how comfy they are. Ooh, that's nice. Yes. So I figured I'd try them without the skates first and see what they feel like. Okay, let's try the detachment again. So there's a little hole in the back and you just put this key inside and press. Then it comes off. Oh, that was so much easier that time. Yeah. So you kind of have to push forward and then pull off. So I'm noticing they don't really bend. You see them the ankle support is good. This toe box, when I walk, They don't really bend, so they're pretty stiff. So that's good because we need protection. There's no real tightness here, which I love. It's keeping my ankles nice and supported, and I don't feel like I'll like crack my ankle or anything. They're actually pretty sturdy. Yes, I'm in love. So now for the real test. I feel kind of cute in these, actually. I know once I'm like walking around in these and people are gonna be like, what are those? And I'm like, just wait. Time for the real test. Time for what we've all been waiting for. Okay, just kidding. So find the hole. Okay, this is hard. Okay, I'm not good at this. Let's just try this. Real and raw testing review because I literally can't find the hole. Got it! Yeah! Got him on. Let's just sit my booty down. Okay, this is way harder than it looks on the gram, my man. Did I do it? I think I did it. Yeah! Okay, moment of truth. Can she still skate? And not just that, can she skate on a flat foot shoe? Who knows? Let's see. I'm kind of nervous. All right. Oh, the toe stops aren't fun. The wheels are nice. Yeah, the toe stops are like in my way. Because they're so close to the ground. Like, you see how much room, like, if I just go like this, I want my toe stops. But that's fine because they gave me jam plugs. I don't hate these wheels though, they're good. I think they're gonna be great hybrids. Okay, so far so good. No falls, thank goodness. Praise the skate gods. The toe stops I don't love, but that's okay. That's easily fixable. I'm just gonna remove them and put in some jam plugs. So just give me a sec, I'll be right back. Okay, we are now jamified. Woo! Yes, that is literally so much better. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, don't get ahead of yourself. Woo, I love. Okay. The only thing I need to get used to is like that good old falling back motion. So like since there's no heel, it's a little bit weird. Gotta get used to it, but that's a personal problem, not their problem. I'm like shook. Okay, let's see how to take them off. That's got to be the most awkward takeoff you've ever seen. I am so bad at this. It's gonna take some practice. Okay, you lift the heel and then you pull. Got it! Yay! I love. This is like the coolest, most innovative thing that I've seen like in the skate community and like as a skate brand. Like this is so cool. I've been wanting these for so very long. So thank you so much to Slades for sponsoring this and for sending me my first pair. I'm gonna get more. I want them all. I need to keep practicing putting them on and taking them off. Oh, I did it. Yeah. there's a method to this, and I'm gonna figure it out, but I'm in love. 10 out of 10. Okay, so I think that's good for today. We're losing daylight. That is my honest test and review, real, live, raw, still working on popping them on and off, but I think they're so freaking cool. If you're interested in checking them out, I will leave a link below. Can't wait to get better at putting them on and exploring in them. They're gonna be so great for like traveling and like when you're going on adventures and you just like don't know if you're gonna skate or not, then you can always be ready. Like, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is the last time I see you until our next video, peace, love, stay groovy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey, hello, how are ya? It's been a little while. I've had these for about a month now, and I wanted to quickly just like do an update. They are a little messy, but they still work great. So I just wanted to stop in. I know I said that I would do an update in another video, but you know, life happens. So here we are. So far, an update on these Slades. Definitely super convenient, super cool to pull out wherever you are. I keep them on me at all times. I'm still getting used to the heel, the lack of a heel, but that's just a personal problem. I guess I should have tried out some sneaker skates. I'm also getting a lot better. I'm also getting a lot better at putting them on without using anything. So here we go. Everything is awesome. I love, love, love the wheels. I don't know, they're just perfect for travel, perfect for all the cool things you may want to do. And they're definitely going to be a staple in my skate collection. Ding! Yeah, so I'm really sweaty. I just practiced for quite a while. Happy to be skating again. Happy to be rolling, strolling, and glowing. And hopefully there'll be more content soon. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. Love you guys. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's been about a month or so. Excuse the sweat, I've been skating. But I wanted to do an update on the Slades and share with you how they're doing. Sorry, I don't have my mics, but I thought I would just do an update really quick. So I was just having a really good session skating in these babies. And yeah, I've gotten a lot better at putting them on, taking them off and all that after a lot of practice. So it's not just like something that clicks really fast. Get it? Click, they click in. Okay. Besides that, I'm really loving them. I think they're super convenient. I can just wear my sneakers, and then if I want to skate, I can skate. So let's just do a quick little thing. It's gonna get dark soon, but I just wanted to come back and give a full honest, like after wearing them for like a month or so, review. So let's do it. Here we are at the marina. So I learned the trick of putting them on is kind of like putting your foot at the very front and then sliding it in, right? So you get the front part in first, then click it down. See how easy that was? Ah! And then you can even do it standing up if you trust yourself. You can kind of block those back two wheels with your other inner wheels, and then stand, click that top part in, and then there we go. Click, click, click. Awesome. I love so much. I'm definitely getting used to, you know, the falling back, you know, thing that was going on. Woo. It still happens from time to time, but I would definitely say that these skates take some getting used to. Like, they're not just the kind of skates that you can pop on and just like do immediately. So that's definitely something to take into account, especially if you wear heeled skates, which I usually do. But I'm getting used to the flat shoe thing, and it's just adding another little thing to my skate journey. So I'm excited. Final rating, final conclusion. It's a 10 out of 10, baby. Like, who else? Ooh, there's that falling back thing. But who else has skates like that you can just pop on and pop off? So cool. So excited to keep wearing them. There will be more videos to come. Sorry I've been MIA. I love you all. Stay groovy. Peace.